on the trail radio here, and if you remember back on the first clip, I bought a 4.5 inch television from Multitech at the flea market. And the last time I showed you about how the antenna was broken and that we're going to try to fix it today, because I also tried to put in an external antenna that did not necessarily help with the VHF or UHF functions, but did do something on the LF. I'm going to start by going ahead and taking off the bottom of the casing and seeing if I can't get to where the antenna is supposed to be and hook it back on so that I can actually get a little bit of reception. After taking it apart, I believe this is the antenna line that hooks up to this, so I went ahead and went through my junk drawer and tried to find me something that I'm going to be able to put through here, and maybe hopefully I can find a washer or something and put it on there, and then I feed it back through here, and maybe that'll increase the reception. So after going through my junk drawer, I found a screw, not even a bolt, and a nut, and went ahead and put it on there. I'm going to go try to put this back together, plug it in, and see if the reception is at all better. After a while of me having to put it back together and failing miserably, I'm finally going to put it back together, turn it on, and see if it helps in any way, shape, or form. Now that I got it plugged up, I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. And we're getting the same noise as we were before, obviously. And now I'm going to sit here and flip through all of these channels and see if I'm picking up anything different. While I did flip through all the channels and I did not get anything, I did notice that the antenna line broke, so I'm going to fix that one more time. At the same time, as you're seeing on the screen right now, I have an external antenna that I plan on using in the next episode, and I plan on ordering a part for the VHF UHF, so that way I have an antenna line for LF, UHF, and VHF, and maybe we can get this thing working again.